up, y'all? It's your girl Swaze, and oh my god, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Swaze, and today we are gonna be locking, or fuck lock. Oh my god, we are going to be twisting our locks. Okay, we're gonna be twisting our locks. We're gonna be, you know, making these pretty things look nice and fresh. You feel me? My hair looks a little bit different. I tried to like dye it, but as y'all know, I have mad colors in this joint. I had mad colors in this joint, so I can't really do all that. You can just see what happened. It actually wasn't that bad. It was really kind of cute, but I don't like the shaggy green look. I wanted the shaggy look, but it was like way too much green. I kind of forgot how much green I actually put in my hair, and yeah, it's a little wet because I washed it. This is what it looks like. Yo, this shit is long, bruh. It is so long. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get these twisted up. So what I usually use at home is a regular hair blow dryer, because I had a over the head one. Don't know what the fuck happened to it, but a regular blow dryer. These clips, this, I'm not sponsored, but y'all can sponsor me. Gel, and really that's it. So I literally use 3 things, well, plus the hair dryer, 4 things. And if I was gonna do 2 strands, I would use 5 things, and that would legitimately be it. It takes me about 4-5 hours because I have so many locks. Like, that's the only thing. Like, if you are thinking about starting your locks and you're thinking about going freeform like I did, or you're thinking about doing just small locks in general, and you're keeping your hair up on maintenance yourself, the only thing that you really have to worry about is the simple fact that the shit takes a long time to do. And my hair is starting to get long, but I don't know if I'm ready to have anybody else do it yet. But I do have a couple of people in mind if I do decide to get my hair done by somebody else. So I'm thinking I'm gonna let it get a little bit longer. Like, I'm gonna wait until it's like, get it like right here, right here, right here. Put in the comments with like my hair. Like, what is this shape? Is this like, what the fuck is this? Like, what is this? What? Like, my bowl turned to, my bowl, and like my little Jones went from that to this. I'll show y'all pictures. That was when I first started. That was a few months after that, and that was, you know, whatever. Yeah, boom. Look, journey. My hair is only 4 years old. My hair is only 4 years old. Bro, I swear this shit just be sprouting. Nah, this shit tough though. I like this. I like this. I'm fucking with that. I'm fucking with the pink too. I kind of wanted to like fade off a little bit, you know, go a little Sofago. I'll go a little Sofago. So yeah, I kind of want that to happen. But yeah, let's get into this video. I'm not gonna lie, I'm smacked, bro. All right, let's get into this video. I be seeing people say that they brush their locks. I do not brush my locks, so I don't really know the benefits of that, because I don't know, I just try to stay up like maintenance with them, and I like wear my stuff to bed, so I don't really know that people be like it keeps the lint out and all that stuff. I don't really be seeing that much lint, but I don't know. They say that method works for that type thing, but I don't do that personally. Put in the comments if y'all brush your locks. Is there anybody out there who brushes their locks, and do they think that that's an effective method to keeping their locks nice and lint free? Nice and lint free.
Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and get started with the parting. As you can tell, I'm starting with the back. So I go ahead and section off the back parts of my hair. That's probably where I'll start. And then I go ahead and grab the front and section that off and actually put it up. So as you'll be able to see here, I separate the parts in the back so I can do half and half. I just feel like it kind of makes it go a little bit quicker that way. But that's just me, so you don't have to do that. But this is the way that I section off my hair so that I can lock it up, sis. Okay, so now you can see that I'm putting in sections the section that I already sectioned off. But I have a lot of locks, so I have to make sure that I'm, one, getting all of them, and two, getting as much moisture to my scalp as I can. Yeah, and I just want to make sure that I do that. So I make sure I lather it up. Okay, so basically, here I am showing you how I twist them. So I just kind of grab it from the top. I start there, and then I stop a little bit halfway, and then I hold it, and I twist the ends. And that is how I make the perfect lock. That, to me, helps get all of the stray pieces inside of the lock, which creates that neat look so that you don't have to brush it. But, yeah, this is how I do it. Okay, so here I'm just showing you the halfway mark. Got it halfway done, and I'm sectioning off the top right now, and then sectioning the parts that I section, because that's what I do. Okay, so as you can see here, I am sectioning off the section like I just said that I would, giving it a little bit of braid over here so that it's not in my way. And then I'm going to go ahead and start with that piece that I have on the other side. Ooh, I need it. That's one. Let me see you tear it up. As you can see, I went and got my hair cut. So, you know, I'm feeling a little crispy. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this. This is what the back looks like. It looks pretty good. I had it in a bun all day, so it's pretty curly, but that's just gonna come out with blow drying. Here you just see me getting into the sectioning. Like I said, for me, this is really the most important part, or a very most important part for me, because I have so many locks. And if I don't section it off, I'll have at least 5 to 6 locks in between here that are not done. So I have to make sure that I do that. So here I am going ahead and twisting the parts that I have in the front left. So yeah, I did get a pretty good amount done before I went and got my hair cut. So it's really just the front. I usually like to start with the sides in the front because I have a side cut. And yeah, as you can see, I'm pretty tired. This shit takes pretty fucking long doing it by yourself. But this is all I have left. By the time I get to this point, I'm already over it. But I'm done now, so it's good. It looks pretty nice. Like I said, I use a regular blow dryer. This is me blow drying it. So I just take it and I try to go through each of these locks. Look how neat they are. Can you see how neat they are right now? But I try to take the blow dryer and get through each of the clips, you know what I'm saying? I at least do it for like a good 30 minutes. At least a good 30 minutes. The back is pretty dry for the most part from me being out today. So I'm not going to hit that as long. But yeah, I usually do the wet part for at least a good 30 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and let the back out so you can see. Ooh. Yeah, that's it right there, mama. That's it right there. Yeah, it looks so good. So here, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some of my oil of choice. And you know, you gotta keep that all day, keep it moisturized. You feel what I'm saying? You just put all this moisture in there. You want to lock it in. So go ahead and get your oil of choice. As you can see, I love the shine. I love all of that. This shit is nice. I really be snapping, I'm not gonna lie.
Put down in the comments if you like my hair. Put down in the comments if this was helpful, useful, if your locks are like mine, or are your locks thicker. Comments if you can do a bun yet. And if you can't, how excited are you to be able to do buns? Because I was not able to do buns I grew my locks twice, and the first time I could kind of do a little bun, but it's not like this. Like, this is some satisfying ass shit right here. I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah, if you're new to the lock community, comment how long you've been going. Like I said, I've been going for 4 years now, just about 4 years with these ones. So, how about you, lock family? How about you, lock family? I recommend when you're doing your hair, after you get done your hair, all of that, wash your face, because everything that went into your hair is on your face. So wash your face. Make sure shit. But just go wash your ass, bro. Just wash it. I'm about to. Feel me? Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helped you. I hope that you getting your locks straight together. You feel me? Or at least if you're gonna go like the route of somebody else doing them, you at least know what it's like supposed to look like, or you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I hope that this helped you. And that is your girl Swaze. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for going on these journeys with me. I know I show you guys a lot, but I just wanted to be a real open community here. And like, I love trying new things. So who knows what the future has for content wise. But if you guys like lock content, let me know. I'll probably do a couple of things. I was thinking like trying some different styles, because there's a lot of different styles I can try now that my hair's a little bit longer. But yeah, I think it would be cool to get into it, and I would love to go through that with y'all. So I'm actually really tired. Oh my goodness.